Hello, my name is Sean Sperry, and in this short video, I'm going to do a demo of the self-service recovery portal for Microsoft OneDrive for Business. So again, remember the self-service recovery portal for Spectrum Protect Plus for online services allows a user to recover his or her own documents and/or mail without contacting the help desk. So without further ado, let's take a look at this. So here we are. I am logged into Office 365, Microsoft 365, and I am logged on as a user of the Microsoft 365 service. In this case, I happen to be Adele Vance, one of Microsoft's demo users. I'm going to go ahead and I'll go ahead and take this long-term retention file, and I will just go ahead and delete that file. And obviously, if this were an immediate deletion and you were to recover it or figure it out, you could immediately recover it from the recycle bin. But just to pretend, I will go ahead and assume that that has already been removed from the recycle bin so that I need to get it back. The user, of course, will have already been received the URL for the recovery portal, which is recovery.spponlineservices.ibm.com. And the user Adele has been put into a group that allows her to do self-service recovery of her own files. So as you can see, we have already logged on using her Microsoft 365 Active Directory credentials, and we'll have the ability to do Exchange Online and OneDrive for Business. I'm going to go ahead and do OneDrive for Business. Here you can see you can search for folder name and or document name. I'm just going to go ahead and search by document name. So I'll do long. And as you can see, I have a couple long-term retention files here. One, a version 1.0 file. One, a copy that I created and that was renamed with a one extension. I have one in a folder, in a subfolder, and I have one at the top level. This is the one I want, the version 1.0 of the file. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that and click on restore. And of course, a restore is started. Here you see a request, a history of all the requests that Adele has created. And I'll just go ahead and stop the video while this runs, since it'll take about a minute to put this file back. So that restore has now completed. It took about less than a minute, and basically I can now go in here and go back to Adele's files, and I'll need to do a refresh, which I will do. And when I do that, you should see her file back. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Again, allows for self-service recovery. So the goal here is not to involve a help desk or a system administrator in this request, but just to let the user do the recovery themselves, no matter how long ago the data was deleted. So that ends this demo video. I hope you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in some future videos.